Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Yeelight Lightstrip Plus. Now, the Yeelight has been on the market for a while, and this is essentially the answer to that. Their latest and greatest product. I think it's on Indiegogo right now in a wide variety of packages. I don't think you can buy this anywhere. The vendor did furnish me with this as well as quite a few of the extension cords, and basically this is, if you didn't guess already, an alternative to the Hue Lightstrip Plus, networked its own app, extendable up to 33 feet. I believe that's what it states here. Yep, 10 meters, 33 feet. I don't know why they sent me so many extensions and not another light strip, but we'll be taking a look at that as well. And then they also sent me a universal travel adapter. So a little box of goodies from China arrived today. Now, of course, this is controllable with Google Assistant, I believe Alexa as well, if this then that. And it just tells you right here on the side of the box, you can essentially put it in rooms and groups, different scenes, sync with music, color flow. And of course, there is both an Apple, an iOS app, as well as an Android or Google Play application. Again, 33 feet it can be extended to. You can use this for underlighting, pretty much anything where there's something applicable. I'm not sure exactly what the rating is on the output of this, but it'll be interesting. And there are the package contents right there. You see the light strip and what appears to be a control or a hub or, a route to power. So let's open it up. Let's see. Again, this is a brand new product, has not hit the market yet. So fairly excited to see what it's like. I think on Indiegogo, they're pricing this at $45, or that might be Gear Best. I'm not sure which vendor exactly. I saw it. I don't think it's on Amazon yet. If it is, you can be sure that I will include a link in the description so that that mystery is resolved quite quickly. So let's see. How does this packaging open? My favorite part of unboxings, as always. I'm looking for... I thought it just was going to slide out. Okay, yeah, it's fairly straightforward. So it looks like, I'm going to guess this is 6 feet. It may be less, that's for sure. See if I can pop this out. And there is everything that you saw on the side of the box. So we do have a lead, a power connector here. And this appears to be the device that essentially operates as a Hue hub, is what I'm presuming. I have not reviewed or used the previous generation of this. Of course, adhesive on this. So that's the hub, basically, is what that is. And then this is what plugs into the power connector, the power brick right here. And this is the included attachment, of course, so that you can actually plug this into your wall. Let's see if I can get this in. I'm assuming it's just a turn. I don't want to break anything here. I should be looking at instructions, shouldn't I? That's what they all say. There we go. So, yeah, it's that simple. I'm not plugging it in right now to do a demonstration. I will eventually do that. But, again, an exciting product. And then here is the extension. I don't think there's anything else in the box, right? Now, let's move that out of the way. The paperwork I will take a look at as well. But let's get this. This didn't fully open. My luck. Doesn't matter. So I'm expecting this to be just like the Hue light strip extensions, which are actually a little wonky because they don't give you the exact same color output. And yeah, so basically it looks like what they might have done. Well, I don't know. I don't know how many of these I got in total. I think there were 4, 5, 6. I don't know. 6. But you can see very clearly how the extension works. And that is merely mating it. Where is it? At the other end. Bring this back into the frame. Right here, if I can get it out of the package. This is where the mating happens, so to speak. And you just plug it in to the 4-pin alignment. And then, again, you have like a daisy chain effect going on. So again, all manageable with their Wi-Fi application. They're claiming it's 33% less in pricing than Hue. I believe them. If this is $45, everyone knows the Hue Lightstrip Plus retails for $90. My whole home is Hue enabled. I have 2 Hue hubs. I wish Philips would invest more time and money in what they've already been well established in for years now. But I'm so happy to see a product like this from this company, from Yeelight, which is part of a larger electronics manufacturer in China, because it's time to see competing products that are more affordable and offer the same functionality. We need some competition in this space, and that's what this Yeelight product represents, in my opinion. And it seems to be well made. I mean, it looks no different than the Philips product. I like conceptually what they did with, I assume, getting rid of the need for a hub. And, I will be going through the instructions here. I'm just taking a peek, but we'll see how this goes. That's not English. This is. So we'll see how it goes. But, yeah, color adjustment, brightness control, one-button operation, of course, mobile control from your phone, timers, scenes, of course, promised firmware upgrades. There's the actual connection, the mating process that I just did for the extension. Looks like a solid product, folks. So, again, this is the Lightstrip Plus Indiegogo campaign. I'll link, as well as hopefully a link to Amazon soon for this brand new Lightstrip that, again, is networked just like Hue, but for a lot less money and hopefully even possibly better performance. I'll be the first to tell you, since I've got, I don't know, like 10 Hue Lightstrip Pluses in the house, something like that. Anyway, any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.